How to buy storage on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if your iCloud is full and you want to buy storage on iPhone, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your settings app. Now go to your Apple account, tap on iCloud. There you will see upgrade to 50 GB for $0.99 a month. Just tap on it. So pricing for iCloud storage ranges from 50 GB for $0.99 to 12 TB for approximately $60 per month with various options in between to suit different needs. So you just need to tap on the one of your choice and then upgrade to iCloud Plus. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.